Merry Christmas, everybody. From our house to your house. It may be 80 degrees outside, but it is still Christmas inside. Hello and happy Vlogmas. My name is Anne Marie and this is Anne Marie's Workshop and I like to make things. So today, oh wait, if you like to make things too, please like, subscribe, and share. All right, so today is a very special day of Vlogmas. A very dear friend of mine is having a baby girl after having two rambunctious boys. So to this day of Vlogmas, I am going to do a pattern review of the Mimito bib by Atelier Mimito sewing patterns. This is an Etsy company, and I, one moment, had made this lovely little playmat in pinks and browns with little poodles and little hearts and stuff like that. And I thought, I'm gonna look in my scraps because it's a scrappy Christmas and see if I have anything that goes along with that. And I so wanna make these bibs. Aren't they cute? All right, they go from, I think 3 months up to 6 years. I didn't think people were still wearing bibs at 6 years, but hey, I'm not judging. All right, so I have this wonderful fabric, I'll show you, with little girls in pink and blue. And I think it kind of goes a little bit in the color scheme. So I have cut out 2 of each. I have to admit, I find this shape very appealing. And in the spirit of using scraps, I found some of my ribbon that has some of the same color schemes. And I'm gonna sew these up and let you know how they do. Now I have also cut out batting in the shape of the bibs because everybody knows you need a bib that has some absorbency, right? Mommies know that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, stitch these up. I haven't decided whether or not yet I'm going to do any embroidery on it. We'll have to see. I'm running out of time. I'm gonna have to get on that plane and I wanna have these with me. After a little trimming, these bibs are ready to turn inside out, and we'll stitch up the side, and we'll have some cute gifts for baby Emily. It was a busy day, but these bibs came out so stinking cute that I just had to show you. And they were so simple to make. Didn't require a lot of scrap material. Matter of fact, less than a yard for than this many. I'm sure it would be really great with fat quarters, any scrap fabrics that you had. These are scrap ribbons that I had in the same color palette. And it matches so wonderfully with the play mat that I made, quilted play mat. So I'm going to bag these up in one of my handmade Christmas bags. And that'll be a lovely gift for this young family who are finally getting their girl. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember that this is the Nemo bib by Atelier Mimito. It's an Etsy shop, and this is a PDF download. One of the things I loved about it, it only required 4 sheets of paper in order to make the pattern. Here's what the pattern looks like. And I printed off 4 so I could cut each one of these separate. But really, really a great pattern. I'm definitely going to put this in with my things for young mothers as a great gift. All right. Happy Vlogmas. Come back tomorrow, see what we have for you to do. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday. Keep making.